Country of origin: China. Fit type: vehicle specific. The package height of the product is 2.13 inches. The package length of the product is 7.99 inches. The package width of the product is 5.11 inches. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long-life reliability. Labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Checked my brake fluid and found the rubber gasket was torn and sitting in the reservoir. Looked up the correct part number and ordered this replacement cap. It arrived in a couple days and that's that.